Yeah, he posted today on the internet. He said he didn't come because he had to work.
Seriously?
Yeah. Well, I tried to tell him.
Somebody did just fall on this.
Wow.
Yes,
I have way too big a feet for who I am.
Hey, you see how your fourth toe is way shorter than your third toe?
Yep.
The fall off? My younger sister has that.
Right.
Fall off toe.
That is the fall off toe.
Yeah, the retard toe.
I got it.
Peter, Aaron, words for Brad.
Words escape me.
Words.
Brad defies words, I think. Like, I mean, maybe the Shelburne guys would probably have words for Brad.
He should be passed out shortly.
He'll be in his.
Oh, I missed that.
He'll be in
Dive.
his boxers and a shower cap, singing like Elton John or ABBA pretty soon. So those are words enough for me. Like.
Especially since I'm gonna set it to make my goal in life to beat Brad Crump by 11 o'clock. So.
Yeah, that's a real tough goal. Like,
No, I mean, but
It's raining.
not the
why don't you say your goal in life at 20? Like, aim high.
Can you do another dive? I missed that. Yeah.
When I was in high school, I always wore black condoms.
What would you prefer, a cannonball or a dive?
A real one, like a flip or something.
I can't flip.
Oh, just do something. Yeah. Okay, that will do. Thank you.
That didn't work out.
Yeah, that's fine. The host with the mostest. The hostess with words.
I'm just sorry I couldn't guarantee
Sunshine.
sunshine today.
That's okay.
I feel personally responsible for that. I mean, I should have the power to
Bring sunshine.
to
Open the
influence
skies. Yeah.
and it just didn't happen today. And I've let myself down, but more importantly, I've let the group down. And they've not been talking to me today, and I understand that. And they will continue to shun me, and that's okay.
Thank
And
you.
I will let you go on to that group over there.
Well, the story is Mark hit your YouTube. And he went there because he can get into like the university.
Why is there so? Oh, it's
my favorite though.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm so
Oh my god, that's such a good picture. I think it's
Words for Brad.
Words for Brad? Oh my god. Tiny dancer! Dancer for money! Oh, that's a wrong song.
Okay.
It's a private dancer!
Yeah, that was hilarious.
She's my side dancer!
Signing off.